what is AI really, and how does it work? Artificial intelligence, or AI, simply means making computers do things that normally need human intelligence. Think about solving a math problem, recognizing a face, or making a smart decision. AI is all about teaching computers to do things like that. Let's make this real. You've already met AI in daily life. AI is behind YouTube's recommendations. It's in Google Translate. It drives Teslas. And it powers voice assistants like Alexa and Siri. So here's a friendly definition of AI. Sometimes AI tries to mimic humans. Other times it does things totally differently, but more efficiently. What makes something intelligent? Think about this. Intelligence means being able to learn from experience, understand the environment, solve new problems, make good decisions. That's what AI systems are designed to do. AI can read and understand natural language, see and analyze images, plan actions to reach a goal, learn from data, even beat humans at games like chess and Go. Does AI always try to copy humans? Not really. Some AI systems are inspired by the human brain, others just focus on solving problems effectively, even if it's not like a human would. AI didn't come from nowhere. It's built on ideas from lots of fields. Together, they gave us the tools to build intelligent systems, machines that can think, learn, and adapt. In this series, we'll explore how AI really works, step by step, in a way anyone can understand. Next up, what are the different types of AI and how do they actually think?